Alright guys, for the next segment of our base running, we're going to talk about taking our leads with a lefty pitcher on the mound. Okay, left-handed pitcher. So, Coach Jamie is going to demonstrate our lefty pitcher. Okay, so the advantage of a lefty pitcher over a righty pitcher is he is facing you if you are on first base. Okay, so a lefty pitcher can pick up his leg and still make his move, make a pick-off move towards first. Okay, so a righty, if he picks up his front foot, he has to go to the plate. A lefty can pick up his front foot and pick over. Okay, so when we're taking our primary and secondary lead, slightly different. Okay, not a huge amount, slightly different. Okay, so we will take a primary lead exactly the same way with our feet. Okay, left, pivot, 2 shuffles. Okay, but instead of waiting to take my secondary, what will happen is, if I see front side movement, I'm going to take a jab step. And when I see that Coach Jamie is committed to the plate, when the pitcher is committed to the plate, that's when I can start taking my secondary. Okay? When do you know that the pitcher is committed, if they're lefty? Dom.
Either you'll see it leg a little bit past the other leg, or he would lean straight to the foot.
Okay, I kind of see what you're trying to say there.
Like when his foot goes down?
Jen?
He's engaging towards the plate.
Okay. Pretty good.
The camera's rolling as well.
Okay. So, a lefty with a very good move can go from here, start making his move to the plate, and stop at 45 and still pick over. Okay, if I stand directly on a 45-degree line here and pick over, that is not a ball. Okay? So, we have to wait till we see that the pitcher is fully committed to the plate. Okay? If a lefty pitcher has a very good move, we will have to wait till later. Okay, so when we do see lefties, and we probably will see one or two during the tournament, we'll have to make sure that everybody watches his move so that we know what it looks like when we get on first base. Okay? So again, little jab, step back, make sure he's committed to the plate before I take my secondary. So this is what it looks like. Jab, step, committed, and I'll take my secondary lead. Okay, any questions? Okay, that's the only difference. A little jab step, and we wait a little longer till he's committed to the plate. Nope? Alright. Let's have 2 lines here, 2 lines there.